represent.
Shit matters in this house.
Bizzy band, what up, big cuz? You know the vibes, you know the vibes, you know the vibes.
Let's go.
This is my moment and I've been waiting for it. I'ma show y'all which bag I'm in, I can afford it. I got tricks up my sleeve, plus I'm a tourist. All I do is win, I'm running through these tracks like Doris. I've been waiting since 6th grade with Miss Martin and chorus. Thanks to her and some others, I made the right choices. I came to music so I can link with other voices. Work together, make history, let's enjoy this. Show that we belong where we trying to get to. We gotta feed our fam too. So what's the issue? We all trying to make it out and make some shit official. Do you, be you, stand by your initials. Yes, Smith is my shit, yes it is stand, bitch. The heat is on, I don't care who's not a fan, bitch. I just wanna get rich and get my fam in. Once they on my mission is complete, I love where I'm standing. I love my sand-ins, I love my sandbox. We outta here soon, and that's on my pops. We all that we got.
Just trying to make something out of nothing. Taking risks, coming straight from the bottom. I got no time for bluffing. This high level rap is how I'm coming. Every time I hear a beat, I'm locked in. I let my pen bleed across the paper, smoke and get high like a skyscraper. I got big dreams, so please don't intervene and come between me and this little musical thing. I gotta win. I'm trying to turn these dreams to reality. I manifest before I write these lines. I ain't talking soda, this is a coke flow. Come and sniff these lines that I'm preaching to your state of mind. Everything I rap about non-fiction, so I ain't gotta lie. I used to hustle at my 9 to 5 just to pocket a little extra dough, just to get me by. You hear this voice, you better recognize I'm still sinning, most likely probably out, just vibing with the guys. I lost some people that was close to me. R.I.P. I hope y'all guiding me and really watching over me. My brother lost his best friend, his pain is my pain, and ever since that day, shit ain't really been the same. That's why we chill, smoke weed, and sip champagne with liquor shots, cause we all living in trauma pain in a way. That's why we grind to survive in the rain for a while. All we need is sunshine. What's up?